stay-at-homepreneurs, welcome back. Or if this is your first time here, welcome. I'm Chloe, and in today's video I'm sharing real ways I've made money as a stay-at-home mom. This isn't theory, these are things I've done myself, and you can start most of them today. Let's jump in. Number 1, selling simple products online, Etsy, Facebook Marketplace, your Instagram stories. You can sell things like printables, stickers, jewelry, DIY kits, t-shirts, or mugs. Start with what you love and what people ask you about. Use Canva to design. Use Printify or Dropship if you don't want inventory. You don't need a full shop, just one offer to start. Number 2, local services from home. What can you do from home that helps others? Baking, childcare, pet sitting, laundry help, meal prep for working parents, organizing closet. Post it in local groups, tell your neighbors, offer a starter deal or package. This is fast cash and builds trust locally. Number 3, delivery freelance work. I've done Instacart, DoorDash, Uber Eats. You can set your own hours, make money quickly, and still be home most of the day. Freelance is another great path, especially if you love writing, design, voiceover, admin work. Check Fiverr, Upwork, even Facebook groups. You'd be surprised how many people are looking for someone just like you. Number 4, content creation. This one takes longer, but it builds long-term freedom. Start a YouTube channel or an Instagram page based on what you love and what you're learning. Don't wait until you're an expert. Start by sharing your journey. People connect with realness. You don't need to have it all figured out before you begin. You just need to start. Even $50 a week can be life-changing when you're staying at home with your kids. And over time, that grows into something bigger. If this has helped, be sure to subscribe for more passionate paid ideas, because I'm here to help you build something you love. Start small, start now, and most importantly, seize the day you deserve.